Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys just a basic example of a checkpoint system that I've created using the save game object and the game mode. So basically what's going to happen here is I have these little checkpoint objects, and once our character crosses through this interaction threshold, it's going to update the character's location in our save game object and run the save game function that we have on our game mode. So to start with, if I cross one, you can see it changes green. I have it set up so that way it just changed visually so I can see where it's at. So now if I move over a little bit more before I cross this next one, if I hit load, it's going to move back to this first one here. Now it doesn't quite update the checkpoint. That's just something else we'll have to add to our save game option. The way this is functioning here is if we go into our game mode, into our actual checkpoint, it's just a basic actor, and it's interacting with the player, and it's determining whether we use the checkpoint. So if that checkpoint's already activated, it won't activate a second time. And then on the condition that it's not, it casts to our game mode and runs our save game function, and then it just changes our material and sets the value from red to green. In the save game, all we're doing is we're checking the save slot. If it exists, we'll load that slot. If it doesn't exist, we'll create it. And then we're going to cast to our character that it's interacting with. And then as our character, we're going to get all the information that we need to save, such as the actor's location using the transform, his current level, his current health, his max health, and any kind of currency that the player has, as well as the level's name. All these are set to the save game here. So we're saving the game to slot after we've already loaded it, just to update all the variables in our save game here. This way, whenever we load the game, whether it's from the load game option or from the main menu's load game option, all it's going to do is pull up all the information from the save game slot, and then it's basically reverse casting. So instead of overriding it in the save slot, we're overriding the character with the information from the save slot. And that is a basic save game and loading game function, as you've seen here in my demo. Thanks for watching.